Namaskar, this is Rohi Shankar Mane and you are watching Scientist Star Academy towards scientific world. Subscribe to my channel for more scientific videos and click on the bell icon for updates. We know that the first living organism on the earth was the prokaryotic organism, and we are very curious to know about them, like how they are growing, how they are struggling with their life, how they are doing nutrition, how they are doing reproduction, etc. So in this video lecture we are going to discuss about their reproduction in detail, that is the binary fission in prokaryotes. Now let's start with the introduction. Now introduction, here the binary fission, it is a asexual reproduction process. It involves the mesosome of bacterial cell. Now mesosome, it is a small part which is present beneath the cell membrane of bacterial cell. It is a most common method and most important mode of cell division. It occurs in bacteria when the environmental conditions are favorable for their reproduction, such as light, moisture, and temperature. In these, a single cell divides after developing a transverse septum, that is a cross wall. Bacilli and spiral bacteria divide along the longitudinal axis of the cell, while in coccus, this division can be on any axis. Now the process. First, the replicated DNA attaches to the inside of the plasma membrane where the mesosome is present. Plasma membrane starts to grow inside. Both sides of plasma membrane attaches to each other at a one point, then they become separates and produces a daughter cell. During this whole process, only one protein is involved, that is FTSH protein, which provides signals to the DNA and plasma membrane. Now let's see how it happens. Now see, this is the cell where we can see the cell envelope and the DNA. Now here, for the reproduction process or for the binary fission, cell should have the well developed DNA or well replicated DNA. When if it has a well replicated DNA, then and then the cell can go for the binary fission. Now during this, what happened, once the cell have well replicated DNA, the FTSH protein gives signals to the DNA and plasma membrane, and the FTSH proteins form this ring. This ring is known as FTSH ring, and due to this ring, what happens, the DNA attaches towards the plasma membrane both sides. Further, when they attaches towards each other, at the one point will come where they separate from each other. Now this occurs due to the FTSH protein. But in some cases, the binary fission occurs very slow, because when they don't have space, food, water, oxygen, and more accumulation of toxic products in the medium. And also, if they are not very favorable environmental conditions, they will not do reproduction. This reproduction in Escherichia coli. Now Escherichia coli grows after each and every 20 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius, because the new cells will in turn undergo binary fission on their own. The time binary fission requires is also the time the bacterial culture requires to double in the number of cells it contains. Some strains, for example Mycobacterium tuberculosis, takes 100 hours to double. Now, bacterial growth is limited by factors including nutrient availability and available space. So, binary fission occurs at much lower rates in bacterial cultures once they enter the stationary phase of the growth. If you have any question, you can comment or you can mail me. Thanks a lot.